Okay, today we're going to look at the Japanese method of multiplication. If we have two-digit number here, 23 times 34, we can actually draw the lines, the tens, as two lines close together, a bit of space in between, and the 3 as 3 lines close together. The 34, so here we have equivalent of our 10 units, 23. The 34, we start by writing from the top, 3 lots of lines crossing together representing the tens, and 4 lines with a bit of space in between representing the 4. Okay. What we do now is we actually just group the where the lines cross into different groups. Here's one group, and here's another group. And the thing we do is actually we just start where the units cross the units. So where the ones cross the ones, and these will end up being our ones. So we count out how many times do these lines cross each other. If we count out the dots, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we get 12 lots of dots. So the first thing we write is a 2, and we carry the 1 over to the next set of tens that we're going to count. Then to calculate the tens, we're looking at the sets of lines crossing in this diagonal here. So we just again count how many lines cross each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's 17 lots of tens, and here we had 12 lots of ones. 17 lots of tens plus this one we had previously will give us 18 lots of tens. One of those moves over to the hundreds, and one of them stays in the tens. Now we have to do our hundreds, which are here. And we see how many hundreds we've got by just counting again where how many lines cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus the 1 that we had, 782. Let's do a quick check and whether this method actually works. 34 times 23. 3 4s are 12. Carry the 1 to our plus line up here. 3 3s are 9. Plus 1 is 10. Move one step to the left by putting in a 0 because now we're multiplying 20s. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Add them all up now that we've done our multiplication. 2, 8, 7. 782. Yes. So multiplying using this method works quite well. But what do we do if we want to multiply bigger numbers than just 23 times 34? We did a few different methods of that the other day. Well, let's try a larger one then. Let's try instead to multiply 123 by 223. Same method as before. Let's start with our diagonals here. 223. So here we have our 223. Again, reading from left to right. And from the top, going the other way, we have our number 123. Okay, let's split our matrix up into the different areas we're going to count. We're going to count here for our ones. We're going to count here for our tens. We're going to count here for our thousands. And we're going to count here for our hundreds. Let's see that I got that right. There we go. So we've got our ones, our tens, our hundreds, our thousands, and our 10,000s. Right, let's take a different colour pen again. First of all, we have our ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ones, and we'd expect that. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. Now we have our tens, and that's in this area here. How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 lots of tens. So that's going to give us 2 here, and 1 carries over to our hundreds. Where do we have our hundreds? Well, we have 1, 2, 3 lines crossing up here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 hundreds plus the one that we had here. So we get 14 in total. Put down the 4, carry the 1 over to the next number. This 1 we have remembered to add. And then we go over to our thousands. And these are in this area here of our quadrant. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to go all the way out to the edges looking for where these lines cross. Make sure that you make your matrix. Actually, I should have done it a little bit further here. But here we had 6 thousands plus 1 is 7. And over in the top corner here, we have 1, 2. A line's crossing there. Okay. Let's see if we get that when we multiply. 223 times 123 using traditional multiplication. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Move 1 step to the left. Calculate the 20s. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 1 step to the left again, putting 2 zeros, and we get 2, 2, 3. If we add this up, we get, and I'm running out of space here, let's take a bit of paper from the one below. 9, 6 and 6 is 12, plus carry the 1. 10, 6 and 4 is 10, plus 4, 14. Carry the 1. 4 plus 1, 6, 7, and 2 at the end. So we get 27,429. So this Japanese method works, especially is particularly nice when you have the slightly smaller numbers here, 2s and 3s. It can get quite messy when we start getting 9,999 multiplied by 762 with all of the lines. But with these smaller numbers here, nice, quite easy method. But then again, so is multiplication. Good luck.